MR Car Mr. Car latest shock absorber core maintenance equipment features dual compatibility with air suspension and hydraulic shock absorbers, intelligent numerical control, and non-destructive repair for 2026. Its flagship offering is the MR6800 series all-in-one core service station, supporting the full process from disassembly, oil, seal replacement, and nitrogen charging to testing and sealing. Oil seal disassembly and assembly machine 30T hydraulic one-button operation for disassembly, assembly of oil seals, pistons, and guides. Suitable for shock absorber cores with diameters 516, 550 millimeters. CNC controlled pressure and stroke to prevent overpressure damage. Compatible with shock absorber. Cores for all vehicle models including Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Land Rover, Porsche, etc. High-pressure nitrogen charging and welding integrated machine equals high-pressure nitrogen system, plus vacuum of pressure holding system, plus welding system, plus automatic control system, typical process. Workpiece positioning gives vacuum pumping, gives high-pressure nitrogen charging, usually 1030 MPa gives. Pressure holding test gives welding. Sealing welding gives pressure relief and unloading core value. Complete gas charging and sealing welding in one step under high pressure to ensure air tightness and strength. Electric lifting seaming machine. It is a rigid container sealing equipment, integrating electric lifting and distance adjustment and roller mechanical roll seaming forming. Different from purely manual or pneumatic lifting models, the electric system enables more accurate, stable and repeatable height adjustment and pressure control. Heavy frame plus servo a stepper motor plus ball screw, synchronous belt plus linear guide, ensuring stable lifting and high positioning accuracy, equipped with main rollers, auxiliary rollers, pressure head, and roller angle a pressure adjustment mechanism, container positioning fixture to prevent rotation or displacement during seaming after seaming is completed. The lifting mechanism resets for finished product taking.